Greetings to all my viewers. Now we are going to discuss about having or applying user inputs to our code in Java. So in this lesson I will try to teach you on how to accept user inputs in Java. So let's start with the scanner class. The scanner class is a class that scans for user inputs, hence the name. So to use this class we need to import it from java.util. Now note that we call functions in Java as methods. So let's proceed to the demonstration. So need to call a class that is in java.util signified by the icon containing C. So we need to call in the class scanner, naming it scanner or anything you want, and follow it by new scanner, and in here we say system.in. So the scanner class is scanning for an input in the system. So now we are done with the scanner method. The scanner function, we need to follow it by a prompt prompting the user to input something. So to do that, we ask the user to give a certain variable by using this statement. So out, and in here we ask the question. So per se, what is your name? Question mark. And then we follow this out by a line of code that stores a string variable. So let's say string.name equals, then scanner, we call in the scanner that next line, since we are storing it in a string class or a string method. And then we follow this by outputting something, so UR space then plus our variable name. So this code should work. So the program asks us what is your name, Fernando, and there you go, UR and the name. So this is a simple way on using the scanner class, and why not try to add another one. So we ask them system.out, so what is, so how old are you? There you go. Let's capitalize this H to make it look formal, and then we store another variable called age, and we call in the scanner class to input next integer. So let's not use string, let's use int for this, since age can be contained in the int. And let's output this by saying you are plus age plus years old. Then let's put a space here. Actually, let's print this one first, since Java compiles from top to bottom. So let me fix this. There you go. It should work fine. So let's try again, and 21. So as you can see, you are Hernando, you are 21 years old, our program or code is working fine. So now this is what I was trying to figure out. So I have been warned by this by a lot of programmers, and a lot of my learning materials include this in their tutorials. So you have to watch out when using next line next to any other next classes or next functions or methods. So for example, next int, we need to be careful with that. So let me show you what I mean. So first we need to prompt an input. So let's say, what is your favorite game? So prompting the question and storing it in a string data type, and let's say game equals scanner. So we call the scanner at next line, since we are storing a string data type and outputting this here. So south, almost type soup. You like playing space plus game. There you go. So you will notice a bug here. Let's fill this information out. See, it did ask me for something, or for my user input. It automatically displayed the rest of the commands, since Java compiles from top to bottom. So why is this happening? Let me demonstrate it by Paint. So let's just say that this is where our scanner class reads user input, and per se we call something like next line. So it is expecting next line. So the scanner is, or we are calling next line, so it is expecting something of a string data type, and per se we enter our name, so name. So after we type this, the scanner automatically types /n to signify that it is done, or we are done inputting. So the next line takes this value and outputs it in our output system, which is here. So we call in next line, and that the scanner scans for user input, and then this next line it outputs it in this code. So next we used, or we called, next int. So with this, the scanner scans or waits for the user input, and say 21, and it automatically puts /n next to it, but the next int only accepts the integers. So this is being ignored. So it accepts this, it gets this, and being outputted to this code. The age, the print age, you are plus age plus years old. And then when it executes the next let's delete this. So per se, when it calls for the next code, or the next code, which is next line, it automatically takes this blank blank statement because it is signified that it is done. So as you can see in our output, you like blank. So to fix this, it's easy enough. Let's not save this. We can call in after here. We can call in another next line or scanner next line to take or to eliminate the /n. So this should work fine. So let's try it. Nando, 21 years old, and League of Legends. So there you go. It is easily fixed, or you can fix this by reordering them. So per se, you put this here before the int. So because Java compiles from top to bottom, it reads all the next line first, and then the next int, etc., etc. So there you go. I hope you learned something in this lesson number 2. And if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, I hope you leave a like, subscribe, share this video, and comment down below on how I become a better teacher and a better coder. Thanks for watching.